In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off At a Glance on Android. At a Glance is a useful Android home setting. It gives you information from your phone and your Google Products activity and displays that on the home screen and your lock screen. I'm on my home screen and you can see At a Glance is right here. It currently displays the information for today's weather in real time. Now, if for some reason you find this distracting or you want to make the UI of your home screen clean and populate it with applications instead, then I'll show you how to turn off At a Glance. To turn off At a Glance, simply tap on your home screen in a blank area and hold. Once you've done that, look for where it says Home Settings and tap on it. In Home Settings, locate At a Glance and then tap on the nut or gear icon. Now you'll be able to see Use At a Glance is currently toggled on. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on that toggle. All the At a Glance personalization below has been hidden once toggled off. Now if I swipe up from the very bottom to go back to my home screen, you can see the weather is no longer displayed. So that's pretty much how you turn it off on your home screen and your lock screen. If I want to turn it on again, I'm just going to swipe up from the very bottom, tap on my At a Glance home settings, and then simply tap on Use At a Glance by once again tapping on the toggle. So now At a Glance is back on. If you want to show it on your home screen, you can leave that toggle toggled on. If you want to show it on your lock screen only and not your home screen, you can simply tap on this toggle here. And now it won't be shown on your home screen, but because it's still toggled on, it will be displayed on your lock screen. You also have the ability to add a high contrast background if you want. Currently that's toggled off, and you can manage and personalize At a Glance using the settings below. So if anything below is relevant to you, you can toggle these off or toggle them on. I'm not going to mess with any of these settings, and I'm just going to swipe up from the very bottom. And there we go, At a Glance is now on, but it has been hidden on my home screen. But it is available on my lock screen. I just can't show you that because if I lock my device, the recording will stop. But before I end the video, just for completion's sake, I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom, go back to my At a Glance settings, and I'm going to tap on the toggle to show on my home screen. I'm going to swipe up from the very bottom. And there we go, we're back to At a Glance being turned on. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to turn on or turn off At a Glance on Android. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let